Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Firefox has an update. If you go to your Firefox browser, go into the upper right corner hamburger menu, go into Help, and into About Firefox. You will be up to date to 133.0.3. So this update fixes a certain number of bugs within Firefox. One of them is missing scroll bar in the library window. So when you're viewing history or bookmarks, for example, fixed a problem where the toolbar buttons are not visible on the mouse over when you are using the Windows High Contrast theme. They fixed blurry line drawing on some canvas elements when hardware acceleration is enabled, and fixed incorrect Firefox window positioning on Windows when restoring from maximized. So these are a few bugs that have been fixed. Nothing security, so nothing really important if you don't have any issues. But, little bug fixes here and there for Firefox 133.0.3 now. And this is, of course, happening today. There's not a lot of security fixes in general on Firefox, except when they have new versions, which is kind of interesting when you think about it compared to other browsers. So if you are using Firefox and had some little issues here and there, you might be checking that out, as it will, of course, fix a few little bugs mentioned. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.